Are you tired of dull, uneven skin? Meet your new skincare hero, Niacinamide. Hi, all welcome to Aruru Naturals. This powerful ingredient, also known as vitamin B3, is a game changer. Dermatologists and beauty experts recommend it for a reason. Let's explore its benefits step by step. First, niacinamide improves your skin barrier function. This means better hydration and less sensitivity. Next, it reduces redness and inflammation, calming conditions like acne and rosacea. Another advantage, it minimizes the appearance of pores. By regulating oil production and boosting elasticity, your skin looks smoother. Say goodbye to dark spots. Niacinamide evens skin tone and reduces hyperpigmentation. It does this by inhibiting melanin production. Want to fight fine lines? Niacinamide boosts collagen production, improving the appearance of wrinkles. It also controls oil production, perfect for oily or acne-prone skin. Lastly, it protects against environmental damage. Niacinamide acts as an antioxidant, defending your skin from free radicals. Most importantly, it's well tolerated, making it safe for nearly all skin types. Now let's discuss potential downsides. Some users may experience mild irritation, especially with higher concentrations. Occasionally, allergic reactions can occur, although these are rare. In some cases, new breakouts might happen while your skin adjusts. Be cautious with vitamin C. Some suggest using them at different times to maintain effectiveness. Finally, high oral doses can lead to stomach upset, but you're focusing on topical use. Now you know how niacinamide can brighten your skin and even your tone. Ready to give it a try? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips.